Dip your feet in, understanding this engaging English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, dip your feet in. This is a common expression in English, often used in everyday conversations. So, if you're keen to enhance your English language skills, stay tuned as we break down what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. The phrase, dip your feet in, is an idiom that generally means to start doing something slowly or cautiously. To try out something new without committing to it fully. It comes from the literal action of putting your feet into water before getting completely in, like testing the temperature of a pool. In English, this phrase is often used metaphorically to suggest a gentle or tentative beginning in a new activity or situation. It's a way of saying, start slowly and see how it goes. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Career change. I'm thinking of changing my career, but first, I want to dip my feet in by doing some volunteer work in the field. 2. New hobby. She's interested in painting but hasn't done much before. So, she's dipping her feet in by taking a beginner's class. 3. Investment. Before investing a large amount of money, he decided to dip his feet in with a small investment. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various situations, emphasizing a cautious and gradual approach. Context matters. This idiom is best used in informal settings. It's perfect for casual conversations with friends or in informal business discussions. Variations. You might also hear variations like, dipping one's toe in the water. The meaning remains the same. Non-literal use. Remember, this phrase is not about literal feet or water. It's a metaphor for beginning something cautiously. Dip your feet in is a colorful and useful idiom in the English language, perfect for indicating a cautious start. By understanding and using idioms like this, you can add flair to your English and sound more like a native speaker. I hope this video has been helpful in your language learning journey. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to dip your feet in the vast ocean of English idioms.